the hidden side of the animal kingdom. In the vast wild, animals live extraordinary lives filled with secrets that most of us never get to see. Today, you're about to discover some of the most shocking and fascinating facts about creatures that walk, fly, and swim across our planet. Let's begin with the crocodile. These ancient reptiles can slow down their heartbeats to just 2 or 3 beats per minute when underwater. This allows them to stay hidden and wait patiently for prey, sometimes for over an hour, before striking with lightning speed. Imagine holding your breath for that long. Now let's turn to the octopus, one of the smartest beings in the ocean. Did you know it has 3 hearts and blue blood? Even more surprising, it can taste through its arms. Each arm has thousands of sensors, allowing the octopus to feel, taste, and sense its environment in ways we can't even imagine. On land, the elephant might seem gentle, but its memory is legendary. Scientists have proven that elephants can remember faces, voices, and even routes to water sources years after their last visit. This remarkable memory helps entire herds survive during long droughts. Moving to the skies, let's talk about the hummingbird. Tiny, fragile, and dazzling, yet incredibly powerful. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards, and their wings beat up to 80 times per second. Their hearts race at over 1,200 beats per minute. To put it into perspective, if your heart beat that fast, you wouldn't survive even a few seconds. The shark is often feared, but here's a secret. Sharks existed hundreds of millions of years before trees. Yes, before there were forests, sharks were already ruling the oceans. Their bodies are designed for survival, with senses so sharp they can detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. But not all shocking facts are about predators. Take the axolotl, also called the walking fish. This salamander can regrow entire limbs, parts of its spine, and even parts of its brain. If humans had this ability, a lost arm or leg could grow back as if nothing ever happened. And then there's the sloth. While it may look lazy, its slow lifestyle is actually a genius survival strategy. By moving so slowly, sloths become nearly invisible to predators. Even algae grows on their fur, giving them natural camouflage in the trees. Of course, we can't forget the honeybee. Despite being so small, bees are mathematical geniuses. When they build their hives, they use perfect hexagons, nature's most efficient shape. This allows them to store the maximum amount of honey using the least amount of wax. Finally, let's return to the mighty whale, the largest creature on Earth. The blue whale's heart is so massive that a human could swim through its arteries. Yet despite their size, whales communicate with hauntingly beautiful songs that can travel across entire oceans. The animal kingdom is not just about survival. It's about mystery, intelligence, and wonders beyond our imagination. From the slow heartbeat of a crocodile to the songs of a whale, each fact reminds us that animals are far more extraordinary than they first appear. So the next time you see a bird in flight, a fish in water, or even a tiny insect crawling by, remember, you might just be looking at one of nature's greatest miracles.